As event planners and travel agents, you know that some moments in time bring the world together in celebration. January and February are no ordinary months. They're a season of shared stories, where traditions from different lands reveal surprising connection. Join us as we take you on an immersive journey through these cultural celebrations and uncover their deeper ties, spanning history, continents, and values. Let's begin. Across time and continents, these celebrations share deeper roots, honoring equality to embracing abundance and unity. They remind us that the world's cultures are more connected than we think. In Asia, the Lunar New Year is a celebration of renewal and prosperity. Lanterns light up the sky, families reunite, and traditions honor the cycles of nature and community. But Lunar New Year is not just about renewal. It's also about unity and abundance, themes that transcend borders. From here, we travel to Europe, where abundance takes center stage, an iconic celebration. Venice Carnival is a celebration of mystery and equality. Dating back to the 12th century, masks allowed people from all walks of life to join in celebration, erasing boundaries of class and status. But Venice is not the only place where equality finds expression through celebration. Across the Atlantic, in the streets of Brazil, another carnival pulses with life, embodying the same spirit of inclusivity. In Rio, Carnival is the heartbeat of Brazil, originating from Portuguese and African traditions. It celebrates life, unity, and joy. Samba dancers and vibrant floats transform the streets into a living, pretty celebration. Rio's Carnival shares more than its energy with Venice. It also has ties to Mardi Gras in New Orleans, both of their spirit to African heritage, celebrating resilience, creativity, and community. In New Orleans, Mardi Gras blends French, African, and Caribbean influences into a celebration unlike any other. Jazz music fills the air, beads fly from parade floats, and the streets come alive with revelry. From the lively streets of New Orleans, we journey to a faraway land where the skies become a canvas for celebration. In India, kite flying carries the same spirit of equality and joy. Once a kite takes flight, no one knows who's holding the string. It's a celebration where tradition meets freedom, and the sky is the stage for all. In India, kite flying is more than just a pastime. It's a celebration of freedom, joy, and community. Whether tied to harvest festivals or Independence Day, the skies come alive with vibrant kites, each carrying a story of connection and creativity. Like the masks of Venice or the parades of Mardi Gras, India's kite flying tradition reflects a shared joy in coming together under the open sky. And with liberty, this colorful experience can be crafted for your clients at any time of the year. These celebrations are more than festivals. They are opportunities to create meaningful journeys for your clients. With Liberty International Tourism Group, you can turn these experiences into unforgettable moments of connection and joy. Get in touch with us today and experience international level service standards with the personal touch in 110 plus destinations. Which one resonates with your vision? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and connect with Liberty International Tourism Group.